It finally snowed overnight here in Manitoba. Let's see how long it lasts. It all happened last night. Speaking of last night, I thought I better get my next mini hank wound up so I could keep knitting on that sweater. Funfetti is the color.
Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're choosing to watch this. Thank you if you have been coming back every day and enjoying my YARNvent. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Diane. I live in Manitoba, which is a province smack dab in the middle of Canada. We finally got some snow last night. I don't know how long it's going to last. Hubs just told me that it's supposed to warm up again next week, but we did get a nice little dump. And I am just catching up actually on my Advent sweater, the Gracious sweater. The link is below in my show notes. And I did manage to cast on and get the Funfetti done last night. So it's working up beautifully. I am very curious to see what color it's going to be when I open it tomorrow. I'm thinking it might be going more into greens and blues at this point, but who knows? Big combination, but I'm really enjoying the process of knitting it, and I'm really enjoying that I chose the gray color, which, as you can see, has some white speckles in it in parts as well. So it kind of aids to the theme of the speckled. And this is a Polkadot Creek yarn, the 12 minis, the 12 days of minis, which I've been opening every second day. I also, a few things going on today. I'm going to share my openings with you, including some KOIGU yarn. That's why I tagged you, Jennifer, of Cinnamon Stitches, in case you were interested in seeing what I got. I did buy 2 more mystery bags from them of their hand-dyed yarn. So we'll be opening that today with the Advents. And I got a Christmas card. I got a Christmas card in the mail from Judy. Judy's Creations in Crochet. I was just delighted when Hubs came back from the mailbox with it, and I was waiting to open it. So that's why I'm late opening it. Canada Post is not that far behind. I have been filming a few episodes ahead, so this is the delay. So excuse the crinkly sound. Try to be as quiet as possible. And we'll see the card she sent me because I'm quite excited. Beautiful. Merry Christmas from Judy's Creations in Crochet. Thank you, Judy. That's so kind of you to think of me this season and to send me a card. I really appreciate it. Now, for those of you that don't know Judy, I have mentioned her a few times on my channel. She generally puts her podcasts out every Thursday. She is a fellow Canadian in Ontario, but right now she is doing vlogmas, but every second day. So I'll put her link below. Please check her out. So what are we waiting for? Let's look and check out what yarn we received today. I hope everyone is enjoying their week and having an okay time this time of year, because I know it can be struggling for some people. I understand. I've been through struggles myself in the past over the holiday season. So I hope you're all doing okay, and let's open some yarn. Just wanted to share with you some more of my KOIGU mystery bags that I purchased. I did showcase them once on my channel, and then I had to go and purchase more. Now I put these together in groups of 5 from what I received for these 2 mystery bags. I may have mixed them up a bit, but I kind of put them together in colorway just to share with you. So let's take a look. So for those of you that don't know, KOIGU is a Canadian dyer in Ontario, and they have these beautiful 50-gram hanks of hand-dyed yarn. They sell them in mystery bag form in packs of 5. They are 175 yards each, 100% merino wool. When I looked at this first one, particularly this color, Lisa from Crafty Goddess, I don't know why I really thought of you with this orange, with this hint of black, almost looks like a dark purple. What do you think of this, girl? It's another one like a dark kind of rich purple. These are called KPPM. Looks like it's a little bit of orange on the bottom there. That might go nice with this, Lisa. A rich burnt orange. These are showing up a bit brighter. Generally, I find when I go to edit the video, they are bang on for the color. And this is sort of a purple and orange combination. So this was bag 1. These are $40 Canadian. And I had a coupon again. I believe it was 15 or 20% off. I don't recall. Now, generally one of these goes for $13 to $15 Canadian each. So you're looking at $8 Canadian per hank, and they are 50 grams, 175 meters. You do save pretty much half price with these, but you just don't know what you're going to get. Here's the second one. I received this color in my first round of mystery bags, and now I have 2, which is awesome because I quite love this color. A real fun rainbowy one. This would actually look really nice as a teddy bear with mohair held in it. A nice purpley pink, dark splashes of purple. None of these have names, they just have colors. And some of these are considered one of a kind. A very, very pale pink. I want to say borderlining on a neutral. And look at them together. And a turquoise with a splash of dark blue in it. So this was bag number 2. What do you think?
only for a moment, we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas, I just want a little peace.